Let me show you how to create double exposure effect in Photoshop. Let's remove the background of this image by going to Select and choose Subject. Add Layer Mask. Put your second image on top. Now choose Hue and Saturation and remove the saturation and hit OK. Add Layer Mask. Hold Alt and click here to create Clipping Mask. Press Ctrl+T and adjust the image position. Decrease opacity and adjust the image. Increase opacity to 100%. Choose the Brush tool. Make sure opacity is 100% and foreground color is black. And start brushing. You can adjust opacity accordingly. That's it. Hope you liked it.